Introducing the stunning 2024 Opel Mokka Eleg 1.2 with 130 horsepower and automatic transmission. This MPV in a sleek blue colour is packed with features for your comfort and safety. Enjoy air conditioning, cruise control, Bluetooth, and more. With ABS, multiple airbags, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind. The chrome package and spoiler add a touch of style to this already impressive vehicle. Plus, with a powertrain warranty and energy recuperation, you'll have confidence on the road. Our Opel Mokka has been fully checked and serviced, so you can trust its quality. Visit opelnaas.ie or call us today for more information on this exceptional vehicle.